Hi, this is just a short screencast about how to get logged in and find your classes on our developinginnovators.com/learning website. So first of all, go to that link, developinginnovators.com/learning, and you're going to log in with the username and password that you were given. I'm going to use the Google login because that's how this account is set up, but you should just type in the username and password on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and log in with the student account here so that you'll see, or I'll show you exactly what you will see. So once you log in, the first thing you come to is what's called the dashboard. And there's a little hamburger icon up here in the left upper corner. If you click on that, it gives you a drop-down menu. And the menu will show all of your classes. So it's a shortcut menu. I'll give you a really quick look at what's here. Usually we have a new video every week that's a teaching tip or a learning tip. And then on the right-hand side, depending on how wide you have your screen open or if you're looking on mobile, this upcoming events block will either be on the right-hand side or down below. But what it does is it shows you when the Zoom meetings are for different things that you're involved in. So for example, on this one, the art club meets at 9 a.m. tomorrow. And if you click on that, a little screen will pop up and it will show you here's the room and here's the class that it's involved in, and it gives you all of the details. So that's a real good way to take a quick look at what you're involved in. If you scroll down a little bit farther, you'll see a course overview section that shows a link to your classes. And then even farther down, there's a section if you earn any badges, it'll show your badges right there. I'm going to go back up and open this menu because it's a quick and easy way to get to the clubs page. And that's where most people will be involved in, is in the clubs page. So let's click there. So in the clubs page, you'll notice now that this sidebar menu has changed. The sidebar menu now shows things that are basically on this page. If you scroll down a little bit farther, you get that original menu that you first saw, but now it's down at the bottom. So it's context sensitive. If you're in a class, this menu will show units and tiles from that current class. When you're on the clubs page, you're only going to have access to the clubs that you're enrolled in. So you'll notice here that there's Art Club, Big Idea Club, and Knowledge Club are all open, but then the other ones all show restricted. And so you have to be a member of those clubs to log in. Every class has a help desk tile. And the help desk has lots of good information. It shows a video tour of how to get around the site, how to post discussions, how to use the different tools. We're going to keep building on that as questions come in, and so that's a great place to start. But I'm going to click on the Art Club tile. And when you click on a club tile, you'll get a direct Zoom link. If you click this link, you will be taken directly to Zoom. I think it'll open up a web page, and then that will open up your Zoom app if you have that. And so that's an easy way to get there. And on this particular club, different clubs might have different resources. This one has a forum set up. If you scroll down, you'll notice there's a Make a Self-Portrait and a Getting to Know You project. And under Make a Self-Portrait, you'll find your assignment or your project that you're working on. And so all of the details that you need will be there. And this is some examples, some really cool looking examples of self-portrait projects that students have done. It's really important that you participate in the clubs that you're involved in, because in some cases we have guest teachers that are taking their time to show you or share their expertise with you. And we want to make sure to honor their time and their knowledge and their expertise by participating in the activities. If you find you can't participate, let us know and we'll go ahead and take you out of the club. But we'd love to have you jump in and participate. If you want to jump to a different club or class, this particular demo account only is on the clubs page, but you could use this sidebar to jump to other classes that you're in. That's a brief overview of how our website works. If you're on a public computer, you always want to make sure to log out before you, when you're finished, so that way you're logged out. If you have any questions, you'll notice this little box down at the bottom that says contact us. Right now, nobody's online to answer that directly, but if you go ahead and type in your name and your question, if you're on a certain, you have a certain thing you want to know, you can just send that to us. If somebody's online, it'll toggle back and forth and it'll say, you know, so and so's online, like Debbie's online or Daphne's online or whoever's online, and you can actually do a live chat with somebody right then and there. I hope this has been a helpful video, and please don't hesitate if you have any questions to let us know how we can be helpful. Have a great day.